Okay, so this is for a 2002 Honda Odyssey. Window switches with vent switches. Alright, so here's my pile of stuff. So, when you get the switch out of the door panel, it has this plastic on it. Pop these tabs to pull this out, and then you can remove this box from. So then you'll see this laying in here. Then you have these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, once you get those out, it's going to be a little nerve-wracking to move this top plate at all, but you'll get this side first. So once you get it to pop up, boom, it'll expose this screw on this bottom hole where my finger is. Take that screw out with a Phillips screwdriver. Be careful of this tape back here, because you only get one bend or you run the risk of breaking these solder joints. So once you get that screw out, lift this up. There's 4 tabs that hook over the PCB. You want to take these back tabs out first, because the pressure is on this tape. So get a screwdriver, flathead, pocket knife, fingernail. I did it with a fingernail. 5 sharps and 5 flats. Fingernail, pop these tabs. A fingernail, pop these tabs. And then the whole thing will come out, exposing the electronics. So you can see on these tabs the wear patterns. Over time, metal degrades. When it scratches across itself, you lose depth. So our goal is to get these tabs bent back in place so that they make contact. In video 2, we'll see if this works out. The problem with my switches was that everything, well, I don't even really know that the vent switches worked. So we're gonna find out if I can get my passenger's window to roll down and up, and if I can get my vents to work properly. So for these tabs, I just pulled a pair at a time, a little bit down or up relatively here. Don't flip this over, these will fall out. But grab a pair at a time, get it to the right height, and anything that is higher than where it was is better, because once you squeeze this plate down, it's gonna push down on these springs and make contact on that plate. It also would not hurt to re-dollop a little dielectric grease on the spots where it makes contact the most. And in video 2, we'll figure out if this actually works, and hopefully this will work for you.